Hey everyone, it's VF. Today, let's bust the myth that you need a huge yard to grow amazing tomatoes. I'll show you 3 proven tricks to grow loads of tomatoes, even if you've only got a balcony or tiny patio. Grab your gloves, and let's get growing. When growing tomatoes in a small space, the very first step is to choose the right variety. Not all tomatoes are created equal, and picking the right type can make a huge difference in your gardening success. With so many options at the garden center, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, but a little knowledge goes a long way. Avoid the giant vining types. These are called indeterminate tomatoes. They keep growing and sprawling all season, often taking over your limited space and requiring lots of staking and pruning. Instead, focus on determinate or dwarf varieties. These are bred to stay compact and manageable, making them perfect for containers, balconies, or patios. Try Tiny Tim for sweet cherry tomatoes, Patio Princess for slicing, or Roma if you love making sauces. These varieties won't outgrow your space, and they thrive in pots or small raised beds. You'll be amazed at how much fruit you can harvest from just a few compact plants. Always check the plant label for the words determinate or dwarf. This simple step helps you avoid disappointment later in the season. Choosing the right variety sets you up for a productive, low-maintenance season. You'll spend less time wrestling with unruly vines and more time enjoying delicious homegrown tomatoes. Remember, work smarter, not harder. Start your tomato journey with the perfect plant for your space, and you'll reap the rewards all summer long. Next, maximize your space by training your tomato to grow up, not out. This method is especially useful for urban gardeners or anyone with limited space. By encouraging vertical growth, you can make the most of every inch of your garden. Use a sturdy stake in your pot and tie the main stem loosely as it grows. This support system helps the plant stand tall and strong, preventing it from sprawling and taking up too much room. Prune off side shoots, or suckers, to keep the plant focused on fruit. Removing these unnecessary shoots directs the plant's energy towards producing more tomatoes rather than excess foliage. This keeps the plant tidy, improves airflow, and helps prevent disease. Good air circulation is crucial for healthy plants, as it reduces the risk of fungal infections and other issues. More sunlight reaches the fruit, and you avoid a tangled mess. Sunlight is essential for ripening tomatoes, and a well-pruned plant ensures that every fruit gets its share of light. Staking and pruning turn your tomato into a vertical food factory. This method not only saves space but also boosts productivity, giving you a bountiful harvest. Even in a small corner, you'll get healthier plants and bigger harvests. This technique is perfect for balconies, patios, or any small garden area. Simple, effective, and perfect for tight spaces. With a little effort, you can transform your small garden into a productive oasis. Finally, nutrition is key, especially when growing tomatoes in containers, where plants rely entirely on you for their food and water. Unlike garden beds, containers can't draw nutrients from the surrounding soil, so you need to be extra attentive to their needs. Always start with a high-quality potting mix, not regular garden soil. Potting mixes are designed to drain well and provide the right environment for roots to grow strong and healthy. For an extra boost, mix in compost or worm castings. These natural amendments slowly release nutrients over time, improve soil structure, and help retain moisture, giving your tomatoes a steady supply of what they need. As your plant grows, it will use up nutrients quickly. Feed weekly with a balanced liquid fertilizer, ideally one formulated for tomatoes which contains the right mix of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium for fruiting. Always water your plant before fertilizing. This helps prevent root shock and ensures the nutrients are absorbed evenly, rather than burning the roots. Following this routine keeps your tomato plant energized, resilient, and productive throughout the entire growing season, even during hot spells or rainy weeks. Consistent feeding means more blossoms, more fruit set, and no mid-season burnout. Your plant will keep producing rather than stalling out when nutrients run low. With the right soil, regular feeding, and attentive care, your container tomato will thrive, growing lush foliage and setting fruit week after week. This is the secret to a steady, delicious harvest of homegrown tomatoes right from your patio or balcony all season long. That's it. 3 simple tricks for big tomato harvests in small spaces. Choose a compact variety, train it vertically, and feed it right. You don't need a big yard to enjoy homegrown tomatoes, just the right approach. Try it out. Pick a variety, grab a pot, and follow these steps. Share your results in the comments or tag me in your photos. Thanks for watching. Now get out there and grow.